Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on the bell, give me a huge thumbs up. Later, I'm gonna make a video about something. So I'm gonna show you how to make crunch out of slime. Is pretty easy. So I'm in the bathroom pooping. I don't want to say that. It's just in the restroom or something. So yeah, I am just in the restroom. I watch Shark Boy and Lava Girl. They're my favorites. And then I am gonna show you how to make crunch. You can do it any different way. You can do swirls, crunch. You can actually do like poking things. Yeah, even you can make a bubble out of them. So cool. I just made that. Go check out my videos because it's really cool. So that's how you make slime. You have to get the activator, the exact same activator. If you have a different activator, you can use it, but you can use magical liquid. It's good. That's how you make slime. You can grab any color. You can just add food coloring, clear glue, and glitter to it. So yeah, bye guys.